I think the future of gaming is going to look like the future of media. So that, I mean, I think the prime example is like kids are spending more and more time playing games. They're playing spending more time playing Roblox or spending more time playing Minecraft. And eventually, we actually think that gaming is going to replace in-person socialization. I think it already kind of have. Like people are like kids today, they're like socializing on Discord and they're socializing on Roblox and they're socializing on Minecraft, and they actually hang out with their friends in their like virtual 3D avatars in these like 3D virtual spaces already. And when we grew up, I don't know, maybe I was kind of in that like in between phase as well, when people like would grow up on social media. It's like you kind of use like Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat, and you kind of use that as a way to kind of keep in touch with your friends like after school. And you like texting was kind of the new big thing. Like kids will start having their cell phones and everything. And so the way that we socialize have increasingly turned to like online socialization versus in-person socialization. And I think games are kind of the next step of that. Is it will replace kind of a lot of film, like TV, and it has already replaced some in-person socialization. And I think in the future it's going to continue to be like that. I think like Mark Zuckerberg's notion of the metaverse, like that is its actual final vision. Personally, I don't think it's going to happen in VR first, but I think like it's going to happen first in games.
Yeah. Do you think that's a good thing, to be moving stuff out of real life and then into these online platforms?
I think it could be a good thing or could not. That's why like I actually have on my LinkedIn profile that we're building a matrix, because I think like eventually when we're moving towards that situation, it's going to be very, very similar to like living in a simulation or like living in the matrix. So I actually don't know if it's a good thing, but I think like if people are happier doing that, and it seems like they are, then eventually that will be a good thing for humanity.